why should you quote borrowers a range of interest rates instead of just one interest rate? Well, we all know that when borrowers contact you, they want to know what type of interest rates you offer, and that can depend on many things, including the borrower's credit. Whenever you quote a borrower an interest rate, it's very probable that the interest rate you quote them today will be different when you actually go and lock the interest rate. For this reason, you should always quote borrowers a range of interest rates that corresponds to what they qualify for. Let's say the borrower qualifies for a 4.25% interest rate on a 30-year fixed conventional loan. You would quote the borrower an interest rate range of between 4% and 5%, and mention that if the borrower's credit remains the same and there aren't any severe market fluctuations, they should qualify on the lower end, which would be closer to the 4%. I understand some companies choose to provide one rate quote and then let borrowers go and rate shop and try to get a lower interest rate. But I prefer to be consistent with my borrowers and give them what I offer them right from the start, instead of going back and telling them later on that their interest rate is going to be higher. It's all about trust and consistent numbers, I believe. As they say, under promise, over deliver.